Hi guys, it's Alan here from Compass Media, and today I want to show you how you can up your game with your virtual backgrounds on your Zoom calls. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to talk about actually uploading a video background to your Zoom calls. Okay, very easy. You can customize ones and you can make them yourself and really make them stand out as well. It's up to you. You can use the standard ones. They have added them into Zoom now, but if you wanted to make a customized logo, a customized background, video background, I want to show you how you do it. So, without further ado, let's jump over to my screen and show you where you can find this at. Okay, so here we are in our screen. So what I want to talk to you about is virtual backgrounds. Okay, so you need to get a video virtual background. Okay, so the kind people in canva.com have now added a section called the Zoom background. Okay, so you can see Zoom virtual backgrounds, and you can pick from a number of options here as well. If you just want a standard image, there's a few there as well. So it's up to you. You can create your own ones. But what we want to do is we want to click on the blank one, okay, which will give us a blank canvas, okay. Now we can pick from the templates already uploaded in there, or we can upload our own. Now what I want to do is I want to show you where you can get really cool video video backgrounds. Okay, so if you go to pixabay.com, that's pixabay.com, and if you click there, you may have to set up an account, a free account. There's no problem. You can use your social media, so you can use your logins for Facebook and so on and so forth if you want, or you can set up your own email address. What we want to do is you want to go to the top bar where it says Explore, and you'll see videos. Okay, and in the videos section you'll see there is a huge variety of videos there. So let's just pick let's pick this one here. Okay, so pick your video, and then all you do is download it. Now, the size that you need for the Zoom virtual backgrounds is 1280 by 720. So lucky enough, we have one here. If we click on the actual size and we click download, it will automatically download it to our desktop, okay, or wherever you want to place the file. So what we do then is now we have that video background. We can go in and create the blank one as we did there. We jump in here, and then we just go to our upload folder and we just grab a particular graphic. So let's see, where is that graphic? Here it is here. Okay, so let's jump in, and you can see here the video background is now here. So as I said, there you go, and it's the exact right size for our video. Okay, now you can do a little bit more, you can have a little bit more fun with this if you want. You can upload this as well. You could maybe upload your logo, put your logo in here, and it will automatically, well, maybe I won't do it with a background, I'll do it with this one. I'll just do it as a raw MP3 or PNG file. And so I'm just going to literally put it in the corner here, and if I wanted to, I could add in maybe one or two other pieces there that I have as well. So if I wanted to add in the LinkedIn logo, I could add in that as well, and I could have that as a very small JPEG underneath there, little small video there. If I want to add some text, so if I wanted to put in, say, I don't know, you could grab this one here, and let's just change the color. So we just literally highlight the color, and we change it up here, change the color to white, and we can change also the what's called the font as well if we want. So I'm just going to change it to something very simple here, maybe this one here. This looks pretty cool. Okay, and also all we do is change it, and we can have, say, Alan Hennessy underneath it, or you can put in whatever you wanted to. So if you wanted to put in, you know, Compass Media, let me just media, MEDI, and we can just leave it like that, and then all we do is drag it out, and it will make it as big or as small as we want it to. We can change the font, we can change the font size as well. So if we just wanted it at maybe 12 or something like that, And you can see I have another one underneath here. So I just highlight that and get rid of it. Just dump that. And now I have my name, which is underneath it there. So as you can see, that's fairly easy enough to do. Okay, so when we finished and we are happy with creating whatever we wanted to put in there, we just literally click the download button and we click download, and you can see it's in a beta, so we literally just download it and it will process right across the image. Once it processes across the image and creates the graphic, we just close that. We can just literally drag and drop onto our desktop, and we go to our zoom settings. So yet again, guys, we go to our zoom area. So you'll see here the zoom preferences area, and we click into virtual backgrounds, and then we automatically just click and add video. Okay, so we find out obviously wherever the video has gone. So this is the next thing that we have to do. We have to look and see where we have the actual video. Where did I put it? Is it this one? Maybe, I don't know. Well, let's find it anyway. Okay, so there we go. There it is there. Okay, so we grab that and we put it in, and basically there's my image. So if I start a meeting and I click here and I go and start new meeting, as you can see, if I drop this down, you can now see that I have a cool new background for my images. So as you can see, and there is my logo, and there is also my name and the LinkedIn address. So that's as simple as that. That's how simple it is to do, guys. And that will automatically default. You can change your backgrounds as many times you want, but it's just something different if it's something that interests you. So I'm just going to end that meeting and bring me back on full screen. So as I said, guys, if you do like that and you want to create your videos, there's how you can do it. So go to canva.com and type in Zoom Virtual Backgrounds. Then you can you can use one of their templates if you want, or you can go to pixabay.com, grab a video, import it into the Canva dashboard, and then upload it, and then just literally download the actual video when you're happy with the content you've created, and then upload it to your preferences into your virtual backgrounds, press the plus sign, and then press and then just add it in, and you're good to go. So I do hope this information was of use to you, and you find some value from it, and you might create some nice creative backgrounds. Would love to see them if you have. So maybe send them to me, send me a little message on social media, or you can email them to me. I'd love to see the pictures of some of the ones that you've created. Guys, have a great day. I'll be back soon with more little tutorials for Zoom, and also coming up this week I have one for LinkedIn. Look out for that one. It's going to be an interesting one. Until next time, guys, have a great day, and I shall talk to you soon. And remember, stay safe. Until next time, bye-bye.